Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making a recipe that I loved growing up. It is ham and Swiss on biscuits. It's super easy, it's great for a party, and I know you're gonna love it. So let's go ahead and get started. This recipe just requires a handful of ingredients, and we're gonna start with 1 pound of shaved ham. I just went to the deli at my local grocery store, got 1 pound of whatever ham was on sale, asked for it thinly shaved. So then I actually put it in my food processor and just gave it a couple pulses. It didn't need much since it was already shaved, but that just gives it a more flaky texture and easier to combine with all the rest of the ingredients and layer on the biscuits later on. So after you finish that, just go ahead and add that to a bowl, and then you're gonna add 2 tablespoons of very finely chopped fresh onions, 2 tablespoons of horseradish mustard, 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Go ahead and give that a good stir so that everything is nice and combined and all the rest of the ingredients are evenly distributed throughout the ham. Go ahead and open up one of the cans, and you're gonna roll all 8 of those biscuits to about a 4-inch circle, just using a rolling pin, or you could even use the palms of your hands and your fingertips, but you're just gonna want it to be slightly larger than it already is. After you've rolled it out to that 4-inch circle, go ahead and put 4 of those biscuit bottoms on 2 separate baking sheets lined with parchment paper. Then you're gonna spoon that ham mixture evenly across all 8 of those biscuits. Top each one of those sandwiches with a slice of Swiss cheese, and then you're gonna go ahead and open up the second can of biscuits and repeat the same thing by rolling those biscuits out just a little bit smaller than the bottom layer, so around 3 or 4 inches. It doesn't have to be exact by any means, it just needs to be a little bit smaller than the bottom ones, and go ahead and place those on the top of each of those 8 sandwiches. After all the sandwiches have been assembled, you're gonna sprinkle some more poppy seeds on top and pop them in a preheated 375-degree oven for about 13 to 15 minutes. After these are finished, remove them from the oven. They're gonna be golden brown and your house is gonna smell amazing. Let them cool for about 5 to 10 minutes and then go ahead and enjoy them warm and fresh. This is a perfect recipe to have at any wedding shower, baby shower, tailgate, any kind of party where you need an appetizer or to bring along a dish. Everybody's gonna love them. They're salty and cheesy and have a kick from that horseradish mustard, which is also really hard to say with those tender flaky biscuits, and they come together in no time. They're gonna be a crowd favorite all around, no matter what event or party you bring them to. For the full recipe, head on over to KentuckyLiving.com. Everything that you need to know about this recipe, plus so many others, can be found there. Thank you so much for joining me in my kitchen today, and until next time, I will talk to you very soon. Bye.